applies it again. Sorry, everybody, like, oh my God, I'm so excited. I want to see that part. And then Nancy ruining it. It's okay. I'm so glad it's happened on live video because it would happen to you and you will panic and freak out because, oh my God, it doesn't work. No, it's work, but it's...
So I guess just take note with all those, like the shiny hollow, it's a little bit harder to see which side you need to put on.
Oh, okay, I got it now.
Like you can feel it. So feel it with your finger and make sure you got it on the right side.
So right, welcome to our world. Hey, I'm like everybody else. I'm like all of you. I'm loving it. Just, we learn from all mistake. It doesn't matter how many times I do, 1,000 times at transfer, I still get like quite few times upside reverse way. I'm like, I am here so happy. Like, okay, I'm gonna show April that. Oh, okay, I want this. I want to show everybody. And then April said, oh, I like that. And then here I am putting like a reverse way. It's really cool and interesting though. So okay, I hope it's the right side. Okay, so this is just really slick. So it's really slick and then smooth, and the other side is kind of a matte feel. So it's kind of a little bit rough. It's not like rough, but it's, you don't feel the slick on your fingers. It found me, and I was like, oh my God, it's stuck. It's really cool. Ta-da! And then I said, wait, it doesn't transfer. You know what happened? I should cut it and then leave that whole entire transfer for remaining the same and then encapsulating it, If it happened to your clients like that, say, okay, ta-da, new style, new techniques. So now it transfer. Okay. Ta-da! Right side. It transfer everything. It's like not even one little like piece stick in there. It's completely. All right. So top coat. Here you go. Good to go. So cute. Let's see. Do some super cute. What should we do? I'm like, it's funny because these flowers keep calling my name. I was probably doing something is really bright so it will stand out. I like that. Okay, let's do this. But also I like that too. Should I do that? Okay. Crystal placement on that one. But wow, we have such a blast because I'm so glad it's happened to me, because then sometimes I say, oh, you might, if we have explained it to comments and people are like, oh, whatever you can say, but now you see me in the real live video. So if it happened to you, make sure check is not the reverse side like I did. You will love this tweezers, Deja. It will definitely do all the work for you for the stickers as well as a transfer foil. So first step with our trifecta is condensed glue gels. Looks really cool though. It's so, the detail is so beautiful. It's like a hollows. And then no wet top coat on the top. You know what? If it is my first live video, I'm probably sitting here and crying because, oh my God, what have I done? I did the same thing. And Nancy told me I'm rubbing in it. And then I rub and rub and rub. It doesn't transfer. So that's what happened to me in the first live video. But if you're starting doing live video, something that happened, do not worry. Keep trying again. Do not give up. It's just kind of cool and challenge and fun. I'm gonna do this one right in the center. Oh my gosh, loving it, loving it. Okay. Oh no, I'm gonna do this one. Everyone doing okay so far? Ooh. So beautiful. It's strong colors and a background, which is the neon pink. I am absolutely loving it. And then it's funny because I'm looking forward for that pink, and here I am putting reverse for that general foil. I said ta-da, and I said, wait a minute, why ta-da doesn't work this time? Usually ta-da's work all the time, but this time ta-da doesn't work. I said, wait a minute, what happened to ta-da? Okay, so I'm doing a super couple of cute glow in the dark crystals. Thank you so much, everyone. You don't know how amazing you are, and then you make my day. I don't know if I make your day, but you make my day. To being here is really like chills, learning from all of you. See, I learned it too. Like, oh, definitely is the foils have the other way. We should do something with the foils. Should transfer both way, huh? That'd be fabulous. Then ta-da would work both way. Thank you so much, Whitney. Whitney, yes, do not giving up. I'm putting this, and then you see, end up with 3 beads. My frame, it's a little bit like maybe about 12 inches away from me, but I can using the beads to change that look. Love it. Put 3 beads. I remember Shay called it a pyramid. Talking about pyramids, and I'm like curious about that. And the husband said, okay, I'm gonna turn it for Netflix for you to watch it, because it took them 15 years to make that one. 15 years, right, babe? To make that. Dana, absolutely, my pleasure. You ladies don't know that how amazing you make my day. You make my day. I'm having such a really great time. Every single time I'm here. The live videos, the tutorials, it's not only like for all of us, for you, also for me too. I'm really enjoying it. It's really make my days. It's kind of a really cool therapy that I got to just to learn. First of all, for my shells, and then second, that is really awesome that I got an opportunity to share with all of us. We'll learn, because earlier we said, oh, I have a different content, and I said, okay, so let's do it. Nancy said, sure, let's do it. I couldn't find another frame. However, when you see this, your frame in gold and silver. Can't find silver. Can't find gold, then I'm using silver. It looks good with the background as well. And I'm gonna put super cute. It's like clear, kind of a white, to finish that on the edges. Yeah, drop it. So when it happened like that, do not worry. If you want, you can pick that and spray alcohol and clean it first before you put on, because if you put it on, it might get dull by the condensed glue gels, because it will turn upside down. Am I okay on both Facebook and Instagram? Make sure I am. This design is really easy, simple. So it's basically, I did is a centerpiece first. When you are starting, you're not sure where to start, just start from a centerpiece first. Get one of the centerpiece, whatever shape you would like to, and then you're using all of your different sizes from size SS3 to SS12 up to SS30, and you are going to puzzle them really close, closest and tight together with your centerpiece. And then trust me, if you start with that and slowly, you will get exactly the shape and the design you want. First time you feel like, oh, I can't feel it, try it again. You might shift a couple of the design and the shape, stick to each other. You will see your pictures, it come right out in front of your face. Awesome. If you like it, definitely keep it under LED light for 60 seconds. Thank you, Tracy. Good night.